Yo, what's up? So, trading journal, day number 1, back on sim. Our goal is to be patient, only take the setups when they come to us, do not chase the trades, let them come to us. Be patient, keep our gunpowder dry so that when the setup presents itself, we actually have some bullets left to fire. That seems to be what keeps happening. I keep getting frustrated, over trading, and then when the setup does come, I'm already too far to draw down to even take another trade, and that's not what we're trying to do here. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the charts and see what we're rocking with. All right, this could be the short we were looking for. Really want to wait for confirmation here. There it is.
Order filled.
He's reloading the bid, but way less aggressive. I'll keep our stop relatively tight. And he just pulled everything off the offer, which is concerning. Yeah, I did not really wait for confirmation there. Just pulled everything off the bid, but still, they're still reloading it, so I'm actually seeing more buying down there than selling. I'm gonna take this at break even, just get out.
Stop
I
filled.
think I was wrong about that trade. I'll take the 1250 loss. It's way too much aggression from the buyers. Although, are they gonna break through it now? Should we try it again?
Order filled.
No, we shouldn't have done that. Yep, that was an impulse trade. Would like to see them break through the lows here, because I think we'll have a big rally down if we do, but we got a little early. They're starting to chew through it. Not a lot of resistance from the buyers. So the buyers starting to pull off the bid. So they're still loading on the offer, but we've got a lot of buying coming into the market right now down at these prices. Starting to break through some of the resistance. Buyers still aggressively standing in the way though. Well, they're breaking through it now with some aggression. I should really tighten up my stop in case it snaps back on me. Buyers starting to reload pretty aggressively. And sellers still sitting up pretty aggressively here. And now we know buyers are interested down here, so they're gonna step back in. But can we push through it? Probably not. We're gonna try. Sellers getting more aggressive on the offer, but buyers still there. We're gonna adjust the stop because we get it pushed down there one more time.
Stop filled.
Yeah, I should have taken those couple ticks while they're on the table.
Order submitted.
No, I'm chasing it.
Order cancelled.
Chasing it. Fucking chasing it. Buyers stepping back in pretty aggressively. We'll let them take it back down there, and then we'll try to buy it instead of chasing the short. Oh, that would have been good if I held it. Okay. We were probably going to be looking to buy down here, but I want to see the sellers back off. Start to get a little bit exhausted. They're not there yet. Yeah, they've backed off. I want to see these shorts get stopped out. Yeah, now we're watching the shorts get stopped out. And the sellers are going to take it back down. Sellers are going to take it back down. And we want to see potentially these longs get stopped out. Okay, now you're going to see the longs get stopped out, potentially. Buyers stepping in down here. Seller's still in the bid.
Order submitted.
Oh, and I didn't get filled.
Order filled.
We are going to take this to the upside. Potentially all those longs just got stopped out. And we're going to see a pretty strong move to the upside now. Still a lot of aggression from the sellers down here though. The question is, are we going to be able to break through the resistance sitting up here, the 90, 94 sitting on the offer? You know, potentially would like to see this trade back up to that 123, which is right below a VWAP. Well, if sellers are finally exhausted, we might even see this trade higher, but I don't think they are. So we're gonna keep this stop relatively tight because I don't want this to come back on me. Sellers obviously getting kind of aggressive back up in here. A lot of resistance from the sellers. Buyers are trying to chew through it, but not as much buying as I would like to see to push through this. But they pulled it away. We didn't trade through it. That's interesting. So they pulled it away, we didn't trade through it. I'm going to adjust my stop. I think this is going to come back on me. They're just trying to lift it now, but it's going to come crashing back down.
Stop filled.
Probably could have got a little more out of that, but could have got a lot more out of that. But you know what? We'll wait for these sellers to get aggressive again, and then maybe we'll take the short.
Order filled.
Buyers stepping back in already. I don't like that.
Stop filled.
We should probably be patient and see what kind of plays out here. If I'm gonna short it, I'm gonna wait for it to come back up to this 92. If I'm gonna go long, I'm gonna wait for it to break through this 92. Pulling it, and we're not quite trading through it. Interesting. So they're pulling off the offer, trying to let price climb. And now he's stepping in the way again once it got back up to 92.
Order filled.
Oh man, what am I doing? We're getting emotional. We're getting emotional. We don't want to be wrong. We're gonna... So I was seeing the buyers back off the bid. Nope. They tricked me. Yeah, all the other markets are buying. Oh yeah, this is not looking good. Okay. Well, I got kind of lucky with that big sell order. Are they going to keep selling it, or is that all I had to sell? There's a lot of size. Okay, they're still selling it. Buyers jumping on the liquidity. Some big buy orders went into that selling. Okay, NQ selling aggressively. Keep our stop somewhat tight, although I need to be a little bit more patient, letting these trades breathe. Does look like we're going to see some more aggression from the sellers, or they just backed off. Remember, we got to be patient and do better at holding these trades. But also don't want to let it come back on us, so still buyers stepping back in aggressively on the bid. They're still selling it though, but they're pulling the bid. Makes me think they're gonna take it back up.
Stop filled.
Yeah. Now do we buy it down here is the real question.
Order filled.
I think it'd be almost silly not to. But we gotta be careful because there's still potential for this to keep going down. And now that we've got this big area of low liquidity, and because we just chewed through it all, price will probably move pretty easily through it till we get back up to this resistance. Back up to this 123 is where we know we probably won't make it through. But even once we get up here to this 81.93, that's what you're seeing sitting up here. This is the 81, sorry, and the 93, and the 123. So I'm gonna trail this with my stop. I don't know when this is gonna come back. It's probably gonna keep going up to the resistance, but if we chew through this resistance, I'll probably try to hold it. Doesn't look like we will. Buyer's still reloading the bid though. They're pulling the offer. We are gonna chew through it, it looks like. Yeah, so he just pulled it. We didn't trade all of it, but most of it.
Stop filled.
Okay, probably gonna call that a day. Probably not gonna take any more trades because, yeah, lucky a couple times. Feeling a little frustrated with some of those trades I took, so we're gonna call that a day. It wasn't a great trading session, honestly. I think I broke some of my rules. Definitely got frustrated and over traded through some of it, so for the rest of the day, I'm going to go back, review my trades, take some notes, and yeah, try to dial in a little bit more for tomorrow. Anyways, I hope you guys had some good luck in the markets today, and until next time, peace.